The other selectors are Type Selector, Class Selector, and ID Selector. As usual, we will start with the simplest, the Type Selector. The Type Selector is just the same as the tag name. For example, if we want to select the P tag, we just need to write the letter P before the curly brackets. Let's use the same two CSS properties we have learned, selecting text color and font weight. And we can see the result is the same. The text has been set to red and bold. But remember, the P tag selector will send the same CSS properties to every P tag in the HTML tag. For example, if we copy and paste the P tag a few times, we can see all the paragraphs are now set to the same style. This is the problem with Type Selector. It tends to select too much. If you need a more precise selector, Class and ID Selector are what you need.